Hey everyone, welcome back to LearnWeb Academy. In today's video, I will show you how you can optimize your images in WordPress using a plugin called Imagify. Image optimization is crucial for improving website speed and SEO rankings. First, log in into your WordPress dashboard and go to the plugin section and click on Add New Plugins. In the search bar, you have to search for Imagify. And you have to install this one. And then click on Activate. Now it is asking us to create an account. This is how you can create an account for free, and you can optimize few images for free. But I have an API key that is that I bought from this plan that they offer. So I do have this infinite key, so I will just enter this one. If you also need this one, you can check that in the description. I will provide a link for you to get it. For now, I will just enter the API key and get access to the unlimited license. We'll paste the API key and click on Connect Me. Now that the API is valid, we'll click on OK and we'll refresh this page and we'll go to the Imagify section, and as you can see that we have the infinite subscription that they offer here. So we'll go to the media section and click on library. As you can see that these are the images that needs to get optimized. So what we'll do is that we'll select select all these and click on optimize. This option will only appear if you have installed the Imagify plugin. So we have done that, so we'll click on optimize and click on apply. This will take some time on optimize all of these images. Alright, as you can see that the images are already compressed. So these are the, as you can see, the compressions. This has a savings of 70%. This has 72%, and as you can see that how much they have compressed. Alright, so as you would also see that some of the media are not supported. That's because this is an SVG format that can't get compressed because they are already they are scalable vectors, so they don't need to get compressed. Alright, and that's it. You have successfully optimized your images in WordPress using Imagify. This will help you improve your website speed, SEO, and overall performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more WordPress tips. See you in the next one.